Welcome back friends to the sequel of my previous video on Udvada. I will now take you on a ride inside the Zoroastrian Museum to get up close and personal with the Zoroastrian way of life. The museum is small, albeit a library of information. The history and the culture of the Zoroastrians and their adaptation to the Indian society is wonderfully categorized and depicted. Also, the contribution made by the Parsi community along with their eminent personalities are well illustrated in this center. After death, a Parsi corpse is placed in the Tower of Silence where it is exposed to the rays of the sun and consumed by birds of prey. Zoroastrians believe burying or cremating the dead leads to polluting the nature. Non-Parsis are not allowed inside the fire temple, which in Udvada is called the Iran Shah Atash Behram. Thankfully for us, a demo is provided in the museum to understand the significance of this belief. Fire continuously burns and is never extinguished inside the temple. Zoroastrian is the world's oldest religion and their god is called Ahura Mazda. The Parsis follow this religion and is descendant of Iran. Their new year is called Navroz. The Parsis do not marry outside their community and their population has been dwindling not only in India but across the globe. The Parsi population in India is just a meager 61,000 and approximately 1.5 lakhs in the entire world. Resilience of the Parsis have always intrigued me. Ever since they fled Muslim persecution in Iran and were given hospitality by Indian rulers, they have probably returned the honors to the host country than any other community in India. The Tatars and Godrej are household Indian names who specialized in building modern industry. Homi Bhabha made India a nuclear power. There were great novelists like Rohinton Mistry and journalists like Bachi Karkaria. Some of the top lawyers like Nani Palkiwala, Soli Sorabji, Nariman. We cannot forget Dadabhai Naroji for the freedom movement. Bikaji Kama was the first Indian to hoist the Indian national flag in Europe. The list is endless and magnificent too. I made this video to show my respect and gratitude to the Parsi community who have made India proud and continue to do so. The real beauty of India is the diversity and yet uniquely united in our Indianness. Jai Hind!